Bank Car Movie Review. Ritesh Deshmukh Vivek Oberoi star comic thriller is worth your time and money. Bollywood Life is a fan of Bank Car. Read our review to find out why. Ritesh Deshmukh and Vivek Oberoi, the duo who have collaborated in the past for films like Masti series, are back, and this time in a film that they claimed before the release that, unlike the Masti series, can be watched by family together. Bank Car, directed by Bumpy Liuv Ka The End, also stars Rhea Chakraborty, Vikram Thapa, Bhuvan Arora, Sahil Vade and Bubba Sehgal among others. The pre-release marketing campaign of the film was by far the best I have seen in Bollywood, and I was hoping the film to be even half as funny and interesting as those campaigns were. Well, did it deliver on those promises? Let's find out. What's it about? Champak, Ritesh Deshmukh, with his two allies, Jenda, Vikram Thapa, and Gulab, Bhuvan Arora, breaks into a bank in order to rob it. They are armed with guns, gadgets, masks and a foolproof plan. Or are they? The only problem is the fact that they themselves are bumbling idiots, facing the biggest roadblock of their life in no-nonsense macho CBI officer Amjad Khan, Vivek Oberoi. Amjad is of the opinion that these bank cars are also involved in other bank robberies happening in the city, and he thinks it is also connected to a murder. Unknowingly Champak finds himself stuck amidst all the robberies, scam, murder and CBI officer Amjad Khan. What's hot? Writing is the hero of the film. Make no mistake, Bank Car is a smart comic thriller in the garb of a mindless comedy, as the trailer showcased. The film, especially in its second half, takes a drastic turn for good. The thrills in the second half make for an intriguing watch. Special credit should be given to the writers, Baljit Singh Marwa and Bumpy, for that. Coming to the performances, Ritesh Deshmukh once again proves he is a dependable actor, be it comic scenes or emotional ones. There is a running joke in the film about his innocent eyes, and he uses them well to put forth an applaud-worthy performance. No other actor could have pulled off this role, which required the performance to be layered. Vivek Oberoi, as a tough CBI officer, is charismatic and carries the mystery around his character with much aplomb. He looks majestic, and his first encounter with Ritesh's character is fun. Special mention to Jenda and Gulab, played by Vikram Thapa and Bhuvan Arora. They are the scene stealers at quite a few junctures in the film. A cameo by Bubba Sehgal will surely make you chuckle. Also, the whole Delhi versus Mumbai running joke is fun. There are no songs in the film, and none was required as well. Cinematography is okay, as most of the film takes place inside a bank. Dialogues are passable with a few quirky lines. Bumpy's direction is fine, with quite a few scenes well executed, especially the finale. Bank Car, 5 Hollywood comic capers you need to watch before Ritesh Deshmukh's screwball comedy. What's not? The film's first half is a drag. The characters try to be too funny, but it all falls flat. Almost none of the jokes work. In fact, by the interval point, you might find yourself feeling sorry for Ritesh and Vivek. Also, the fact that the trailers were misleading might tick some viewers off. As I mentioned above, it is not full-fledged comedy but a thriller laced with comic dialogues. Sahil Vade, who was brilliant in Badranath Ki Dulhania, is annoying here. Also, without revealing much, the film might remind you of YRF's Dhoom 2, Ritesh's own bluff master and Hollywood hit, Now You See Me. Also read, Bollywood Life sets Ritesh Deshmukh and Vivek Oberoi's Tashrif on fire. What to do? Film may have its flaws, especially in the first half, but to quote Robert McKee from one of my favorite films, adaptation, the last act makes a film. You can have flaws, problems, but wow them in the end, and you've got a hit. Watch the film for its performances, mainly by Ritesh, Vivek, Vikram, and Bhuvan. If you can survive through the first half, the film will surprise you, and how. Watch it.